Hi, welcome. The topic for today is wild animals. Look, wild animals. Wild animals. Look. Whoop. Look. Okay. Wild animals. Wild animals are wild. Wild animals son salvajes. Wild en español significa salvajes. Wild. And we cannot have them in our house. No los podemos tener en nuestra casa como mascota. Wild animals are wild and we cannot have them in our house. Vocabulary. Tiger. Repeat. Tiger. Tiger is tigre. Tiger. Repeat. Recuerden que cuando yo digo repeat, tienen que repetir la palabra. Tiger. Repeat. Lion. León. Lion. Repeat. Elephant. Repeat. Okay. Crocodile. Repeat. Crocodile. Hippo. Repeat. Hipopótamo. Snake. Culebra o serpiente. Repeat. Snake. Repeat. Okay. Bear. Oso. Bear. Repeat. Okay. Shira. Como chetos, pero Shira. Repeat. Okay. Wolf. Wolf is lobo. Wolf. Repeat. Wolf. Rhino is rinoceronte. Rhino. Repeat. Okay. And the last, la última. Giraffe. ¿Qué es? Miren aquí en la foto. Giraffe. Jirafa. Giraffe. Repeat. Ok. Ahora, en el vocabulario, en diferente voz. Tiger. Tigre. Lion. Elephant. Crocodile. Hippo. Snake. Bear. Cheetah. Wolf. Rhino. And giraffe. Okay, now wild animals. Look. Monkey is mono. Some pictures, unas imágenes de los dos animales. Some pictures of wild animals. Repeat. Wild animals. Repeat. Wild animals. Repeat. Okay. First animal. Tiger. Look, tiger. Lion. lion. Look, repeat, lion. Elephant, look, is very big, es muy grande. No podemos tener esto en nuestra casa. No, it's very big, big. No, no. In our house, no. Crocodile, 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 crocodile. Look, crocodile. Hippo, hippo. Look, los dientes, teeth, very big, very big. No, we can't have it in our house. Hippo, repeat. Okay, now. Snake, snakes, snake. Bear, look. Rhino. Wolf. Cheetah, look, very fast, the cheetah. Giraffe, giraffe. And now, and bye. That was all. Wild animals. Look, wild animals. En el otro video les enseñaré los sonidos de estos animales y su pronunciación también. Bye. Have a nice day.